Okay, how to use modifiers to print this pad. So we'll import a file, how to position it. I'm using a Bambu Lab slicer. I know my printer is a little bit smaller for this pad, so I'll have to go down in the size. I'll go 96. Okay, and I'll just position it so it fits the build plate. So once you have this in, we'll go ahead and put modifier blocks. So these two files, you'll add them, and here you say no, and you have to position these as well. So the rear one, the narrow part here, that's the bottom, and the front is pretty obvious. Now we will select all three. So 1, 2, 3, right click, merge. And now here in objects, you go and click change type, modifier, and same for the other one, change type, modifier. Okay, you won't have this change type unless you merge them on Bambu Lab Slicer, and then we'll position them. So this one will position so it matches the line approximately to make it nicer. Something like that, and then we'll increase height here, height scale, like this. And now you have to make sure it's not biting into the plate. So you see how it's going into the plate, we just have to bring it up. Okay, and now we still have this blue part not covered. It has to cover the whole thing. So we'll go into the scale and we'll give it maybe extra 3%. Okay. So this is looking good. Both sides here are covered. It's not biting into the plate, and the top is covered as well. So the front is good. Now we'll position the bottom, and here I'm just going for the middle of the pad line, right here. And you see how it's not covering blue here, so I have to move it a little bit. And same, it shouldn't touch the base, so you move it up, just like that, and move it this way. Okay. This looks good. Okay, so now let's say you have TPU here, and we have 15% gyroid, and you will go into object, select these modifiers, and this one you'll change to, let's say, 8. Okay, and we have 2 walls, 3 top, 5 bottom. Okay, so we can slice it now. So now you can see that we have strong base with the dense infill, 15%, and the pillow is 8, nice and comfortable, right? And all this in one print. You don't have to join parts later, glue them, attach them. So yeah, it's a good option. And if you, let's say, decide to print a split merge, so like this one, right? So it's a split pad, but it's merged with pillow. So like same idea, you will add modifier, merge it, change the type, position it, and then print. That's it.